Friends, running kimono over at Walmart in the candy aisle. We have a lot of candy up to 50% off if this is your thing. I know a lot of you are trying to fill Easter baskets on the cheap, and this is definitely the place to be on the lookout. So I just saw these clearance tags on a Friday, and certain items completely cleared, like people, if you see your favorite candy bar, but some of it's only like 30% off, so I think it might be hanging out for a little bit. And if you like these clearance, like here's some stuff on clearance, please give this video a big thumbs up. Really helps out my channel and just to get this video out there so everybody can enjoy this candy, so please like this video. For whatever reason, this aisle was super crowded at my store, so I didn't photograph all the UPCs, so I'm just going to show you the visuals of what the clearance stuff that I was finding. The thing I recommend for this sort of clearance, because this is the sort of stuff everybody really likes, just go to the store this weekend and look through this candy aisle. You might hit gold. Okay, so for all the diabetic or low-carb dieters out there, we have the Lilies. We have the confetti white chocolate style for $2.31. That is some savings right there. Have the hazelnut butter filled. I didn't buy either of these. Mighty tempting, but I didn't for my own Easter basket, and it's sugar-free. The Toffee Fay for $1.86. That was completely cleared at my store, so the original price was $2.48. Definitely, just walk down the candy aisle, see what they have. Some of these items, like if Toffee Fay is your favorite, definitely be on the lookout for that. We have the Great Value Cherry Sours. So it was 98 cents down to 59 cents. So a bit of a drop, and somebody just bought all of them. A lot of the candy, too, are of a gummy consistency, like a lot of these gummy ones. Perfect for the kids for Easter baskets. So we have the Haribo Happy Cherries for $1.45, Haribo Sour Kicks for $1.92. All of them are a little bit different, but you never know. This might make a really fun Easter basket item. We have the Fruit Loops gummies, kind of a novelty item. I did go through IBOTTA to try to see if there was some rebates. I couldn't find anything, but definitely open up that IBOTTA app and scan. You might hit the mother load of some freebies. We have the Kit Kat Thins for $3.56. And the interesting thing about the thins, it's not a huge amount, and I don't know if people are like, Kit Kat has to be original or not this thin stuff. This specific item, I wonder if they're discontinuing it, because at the front, till they were also on clearance for $1.50 for a smaller bag. Maybe that would fit an Easter basket a little better, the smaller one. Also, just be on the lookout, everything and anything, and open up that Walmart app and scan everything. We have the Hershey's Hugs, so the perfect combination of chocolate and vanilla for $5.93. That's still kind of rich, but if this is your favorite thing, you're saving at least $1. And I just prepared a couple slides here of just some of the candy. Definitely be on the lookout, guys. I'm sure that a lot of this stuff was cleared and they removed some tags, but it's a lot of like chocolate bars and gummy consistency candies that I've noticed. So definitely watch out for that, and you might score big. And definitely open up the different rebate apps and see if there might be some money back. I would go this weekend, especially if you love candy, and make it happen. Now, this is interesting. Mr. Beast has chocolate bars in the cookie aisle that was on clearance, I believe, last week. I noticed a tag today for this, for the Mr. Beast cookies. So if you're a fan of him, be on the lookout for these in the future at Walmart. And 6 ounces for $4.48. Let me know in the comments what you think of that. Before I take off, guys, we have a little freebie at Big Lots. So if you have a Big Lots in your town, I would definitely get out there by the 19th, which is Sunday. The digital coupon for the freebie is automatically loaded to your store card, and they had it itemized right at the front at the checkout. This is at the back of the store. And the free coupon's on your store card. It's as easy as you just grab one of these, go to the till, and it's completely for free. So this one's the black elderberry and vitamin D. This is the one that I grabbed. They also had this really nice tea tree oil one, the one with the green label, but look at the receipt, completely for free. You don't even pay tax on this. I wish Big Lots would have freebies like this every week. I would be talking about Big Lots in every video. Go and score this one. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.